In this video, we will figure out which values we need for our analysis by looking at the metadata table that was included in our downloaded CSV. Notice that our Lane County census tract shapefile now has many more fields in the attribute table after we joined the housing and income data. It would be impossible for us to know what any of these field names means right off the bat, so let's check the metadata file. Go to your data folder and open the CSV that's titled Metadata in Excel. Take a minute to examine the two columns and some of the various names. You'll notice a field on the left with a variety of codes and then another field on the right with their explanation. The ones that we need mostly are the estimate total. This is the total number of estimated housing units in each census tract. We also need a field that represents the number of renter housing units where the tenant makes less than $20,000 and their housing costs are 30% or more of their income. Here we found it, but notice that there is a margin of error option and then there's an estimate total option. We want the estimate total option rather than the margin of error option. Note the two codes on the left-hand side for the highlighted rows. You could take a screenshot or write these two attribute codes down. We'll need them in our future analysis. Now let's go back to our map project, and in our Lane County housing shapefile, let's go ahead and create 3 new fields. We're going to have one of these new fields be for the total housing estimate. One of these fields will be for the housing insecurity units, and then the last one will be the percentage of housing insecurity. Title the first field Total Housing, or some abbreviation of that. Make sure that this is a long data type and that the format is numeric. The next field will be the total housing units of insecurity, so title this one Housing Insecurity or some abbreviation of it. And this one will also be a long and a numeric number format. You can use the Add New field at the very top of the screen to make your third and final field. Title this one Housing Insecurity Ratio or some abbreviation of that. And this will be a double data type. And we want the number format to be in a percentage. Click OK and save. In the next video, we will migrate the values over from the coded fields that we just researched and then divide them using the field calculator to get our total housing insecurity percentage for each census tract.